This is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got black cloth seats. Got a two-tone dash, black on a real light tan color. It's got the backup camera. It's got a really cool dual glove box setup here. Bottom is locking, top is not. Got this nice pass through here. Seat 3 there in the back. They got their air vents, got their own lights. There's their climate control. Privacy glass in the rear. Yokohama Avid tires. They got a ton of tread left on them. Real pretty dark sparkle gray paint. It's a manual opening lift gate, but super easy to open. Got a large cubby hole here. These seats do fold flat. Kind of stow and go system, whatever they call that. Got a lot of storage, cubby holes for them on the third row. You can see that privacy glass in the rear is nice. Keeps the back seat kiddos cool. Got the chrome grille inserts, looks really good. Manual adjusting driver seat. You can look on the door here. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You see those back vents are opening. You can do that with this little button here. Manual adjust headlights. 22,672 miles. Cruise control. Some more steering wheel buttons. Got the shifter here up top. Backup camera. AM, FM radio. Tri-zone climate control system, so you can control everything for the rear as well as the front too. This is a little sticky thing. This will come off, so don't worry about that. Just need to clean that up. Eco mode, traction control. Some storage down there. 2 deep cup holders. And then down on the bottom you can see there's 2 12-volt ports. It's a non-smoker. Smells really good in here, nice and clean. Looks really well taken care of.